Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I have a speed clean for you guys. I just thought I would film this and upload it so I can have something up on my channel. I recently got a chemical peel, so I've been hiding for the last week and a half. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. But I did include cleaning my shower this time. I've lived here for 2 years and have only showed you guys that maybe once or twice. It's just really hard to clean, but I have a new tool that I've been using to make it a whole lot easier. I'm starting off with laundry, and no, I didn't get around to folding the laundry in this video and putting it away, but I saw that you guys really liked my laundry routine video, the last video that I did, I think, or the one before that, so I'm going to be doing another video like that right after this one. I really should be doing at least one laundry routine video a month because it's not a secret, I do not like laundry, and I know there's a lot of you out there that also don't like laundry, so once a month you will be seeing a laundry routine video from me. I offloaded the dishwasher and now I'm loading it back up. Then I'm just doing my kitchen cleaning routine, wiping off the countertops, putting things away, wiping off the chairs. Then I'm going to move into the living room. This triggers people for some reason. I remember doing a meal prep with me, or clean up after meal prep, and people were so angry that I put scraps of food in the garbage disposal. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I've been doing this my whole life and never had any issues. So yeah, don't do it if you don't want to, but I'm gonna do me.
Wish that I could stay. 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 Wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
I'm making sure to include this part. People think that I put my dirty bar stools on top of a clean countertop, and that is not the case. I always clean the bottoms before placing them up there. I just did a quick sweep under the countertop. I would do vacuum and mopping, but as you can see, I have laundry piles and I'm getting ready to declutter the shoes. I did all that off camera. Like I said, I'll put that in another video. After this, I'm going to head into my room just to tidy up a little bit, and then lastly, clean my shower. In my bathroom, I'm opening the blinds to let some light in. Then I'm going to clear off the countertops, put things away, and then take everything out from my shower to prepare it for deep cleaning. So I got this shower cleaner on Amazon. It was wet at the bottom, but I like it because the tiles are kind of high. I used to bring a step stool in the shower with me to get the tops, but with this I can just extend it and it's a lot easier to clean with this. Now I'm going in with pure rubbing alcohol just to clean the glass. I use this for all glass and mirrors in my house. Normally I would use a squeegee on the inside of the shower to get the watermarks off. I just use it on the tile, and then on the inside I just go over it with a microfiber cloth to get the water off, and then in with my alcohol, and it leaves it streak free.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me.
That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.